Hey guys, welcome back to y'all boys nation. It's y'all boy Logan here. Today we're going to look at a DPMS BB rifle, SBR. SBR stands for short barrel rifle. Let's check it out. It's full auto. It has a blowback action. It shoots up to 1,400 rounds per minute. Guys, look at the size of this. Look how nice this looks. It has pop-up iron sights. You have your open sight. You have your pin sight. You have your adjustable foregrip. You got your pullback. You can change your stock size. You have a speed reloader just in case. If you need to reload when you're playing around with your friends, you have this. You have your mag. It holds up to 25 rounds. You can use steel BBs, copper BBs, or you can use pellets. I'm gonna show you guys how to load this up. You put your CO2 bottles here. If you don't put this one in first, what you do is with this CO2 bottle, it'll shoot out and it'll just be a waste of that CO2 bottle. So you would start with this one that says put left in first. So you have two CO2 bottles. You're supposed to shoot it with two CO2 bottles. I just put the two CO2 bottles in. I like this because it has your Allen wrench, so you have a place for it. You don't have to carry anything with it. Let's load it up and get in shooting. You could either, this is a speed loader. What you do is you have this hole right here, and what it does is you fill it all the way up, and you could just pretty much just do this, slide it in and just pop it down. Like doing it one by one. You even have this little hole right here, so you can just pop it in one by one. You also have to pull down the spring all the way down into this little lock-in place. Let's get in the load. You also have to tilt it down when you load it so it doesn't get jammed right in that little hole. If it does, it will not fire. Now that it's filled up, you just pop this up. It will make the zigzag. Let's get the shooting. Full auto, let's annihilate some cans. Hey guys, I'm in the video here. It is 30-something degrees out here. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to do next, and help me get the road to 1K. I'm out.